Hi friends, now study chapter number 8, concatenating text string. So in my chapter number 1 I have explained you about concatenation, but that was a brief. Now let's here they have also given a reference, okay, that in chapter 1 we studied that, but here we will definitely go to in detail that how can we concatenate. Okay, concatenation we make with the help of this plus sign. Okay, if we are using any value and if we use any plus sign, it's definitely add, but in the sense of strings, if we use plus sign, so that's definitely gonna give a concatenation result. So here they have given you a complete hello comma word and this exclamation mark, greeting plus, separation plus, address, and print. They have printed the whole this statement, and after that they are giving you another example of concatenation, and here they are printing the value with the help of this plus sign, that what was the result. And that's all. I think, yeah, that's all for chapter number 8, and I hope that's clear to you in sense of explanation. And let's copy this and we will paste it, and I will explain you, by the way. Don't worry. Or yeah, okay, copy. Let's rename it chapter 8, and let's paste it. Oh my god, it's, see what happened. Okay, so greeting equals to hello, expression equals to word, punctuation equals to comma, and whole expression equals to, now let's greeting plus expression plus punctuation. Okay, now let's print. Whole, and let's check the output. Hello word comma. So we can make further amendment in that as well, friends. Like how, right? I will explain. You can use \t. Let's check what it's going to give us a result, right? It's giving us a tab. You can see I've explained this escape sequence in your chapter number 1 as well. So let's run it again. Hello world. Okay, I hope that's clear to you people, and if you have any query, do ask me in comment box, and thank you for watching.